Hi everyone! The breakfast dish from South India which enjoys the most popularity worldwide is definitely dosa. A crispy, tasty dosa breakfast is incomplete without the special side dishes, mainly sambar and coconut chutney. So today we're making a simple Kerala style coconut chutney that goes great with your crispy tasty dosas or soft spongy idlis. This video recipe is dedicated to my brother's friend Tommy, who's recently learned how to make perfect dosa and wants the chutney to go with it. So here we take a quick look at the ingredients required to make this quick coconut chutney. So we have 250 grams of fresh grated coconut, or you can use frozen grated coconut that has been thawed first. Add this to a blender. Along with this, we're adding 2 mild red chilies, about 4 tablespoons once chopped. These chilies are quite mild. We're also using 1.5 tablespoons of fresh ginger. This might seem like a lot, but it's actually quite important, the ginger flavor in this chutney. Oh, and you can use hot red chilies if you prefer that. I'm just using the milder ones today. And if you want the chutney completely white, you can omit the red chilies altogether. But I quite like the flavor of the mild red chilies. And next we have shallot, a very small amount, about 1/4 teaspoon. You don't want more than that because it tends to leave an aftertaste. And we also have some fresh curry leaves, 3 to 4 curry leaves. The next ingredient is tamarind pulp. Make sure you've removed the seeds from the tamarind pulp, about 1/2 teaspoon. This is what gives the chutney that lip-smacking sour note. And we're also going to add yogurt. 4 tablespoons of nice thick yogurt. You can use Greek style yogurt if you prefer. Make sure it's something that's not too sour. And if you want, you can omit the yogurt and just increase the tamarind pulp by a little bit. And we need salt to taste. I'm using Himalayan pink salt here, about 1/2 teaspoon. Add approximately 1/2 cup of water to the blender. And now you just want to blend the ingredients till you get a fairly smooth chutney texture. You don't want it to be too grainy. If you find the need to add a little bit more water to assist in smooth grinding, add just 1 to 2 tablespoons of extra water, not more than that. You don't want the chutney to be runny. So this is my chutney texture, just the way I like it. Now, different people do have different additions. Some people leave out the chilies, as I mentioned. Some people will add a little bit of puffed Bengal gram to make it a little bit thicker. But this is my favorite chutney. And now we want to temper the chutney with some additional ingredients. This is optional, but it makes the chutney more tasty. So I'm just going to show you how to do that as well. Heat up some oil in a pan. So for Kerala style chutney, I'm using coconut oil. Some people prefer to use sesame oil. About 2 tablespoons. Once the oil is hot, add 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of black mustard seeds. Wait till they're finished popping. To this, add 2 tablespoons of broken dried red chilies. And don't let them turn too dark. Before that, add a handful of fresh curry leaves. Add the contents of the pan over the prepared chutney, and your coconut chutney for dosas or idlis is ready. The tempering ingredients may optionally include asafoetida and 1/2 teaspoon of urad dal. I tend to leave that out. Hope you enjoyed the quick video recipe. Have fun making your crispy dosas next time with this tasty coconut chutney. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. Bye.